After watching this video, you will be able to upload your first video on YouTube and you will feel super comfortable for the next time you are uploading on YouTube. And also this uploading method will give you 10x more views and reach on YouTube. So now let's not waste your special and beautiful time by talking and practically learn everything about uploading on YouTube for the first time.
So first of all, open YouTube. When you open YouTube, then simply click on this plus icon here, as you can see here on this place. When you click here, then here we have a bunch of different kind of options like video, short, and the live option. If you are uploading a short video, then you have to click on this short. If you're uploading a long video, then you have to click on the video. When you clicked here, then simply pick that video you want to upload it to YouTube. And if you can't find it here, then simply click on this option, on the video option. When you clicked here, the albums will come, and then the video you have to pick that video from the albums. Like for example, I'm finding my video. I founded my video, and my video is this one. Then just simply click on that next option. Now, as I already told you that I'm gonna be practically telling you that how to verify the intermediate feature. Now this is the time to teach it to you practically. So when you are uploading a long form video, it's gonna automatically give you like this pop-up window to you to verify your phone number. Just simply click on this verify option here. Now here, the first option you have to select is your country. You have to select your original country. And the second one is that here we have two options. First one is text me, second one is call me. If you don't know English a lot, then you have to click on text me, because that's gonna send you a message and you have to paste that message here. For example, I'm giving my phone number and I'm selecting my country name. Then you have to click on the text me option. Then click on the next option. The YouTube sent a message to me, a 6-digit verification code to me. And the code is this one, 885201. This is the 6-digit verification code. Now I practically verified my phone number. Now I can upload over 15 minutes video and I can give a thumbnail to my video. But before we're giving a thumbnail, we have to do some of the most important settings here. First of all, on the YouTube, you have to give the title. So for making a title, we have to take help of ChatGPT. So I'm coming to ChatGPT and telling him about my video, that I created a video about this topic, and now please give me one title, description, tags, hashtags, and it will give me all of them. So I'm telling to ChatGPT that I have created a video about how to make a fresh Gmail account, and then how to make, no matter if you misspelled it, ChatGPT is gonna understand everything. What is your purpose? How to make a YouTube channel and do most important settings on YouTube Creator Studio. Then I have to click on this arrow button here. The YouTube gives me sense of SEO. I'm gonna tell him the structure, what kind of SEO I want. So I'm gonna tell him I want 3 unique titles one description, 5 keywords, 5 tags that are viral nowadays, and the topic of how to make a YouTube channel. So I wrote down all of these. Then simply click on the arrow button here. It will give you automatically everything clearly. So the ChatGPT gave very beautiful titles to me. I'm gonna copy one of them. Like I copied the third one, then click on the copy option here. Then come here to YouTube and just simply paste the title here. When you pasted the title, then simply click on the visibility here. When you click on the visibility, if you want to directly upload the long form video, then simply click on the public option. But if you want to have a fixed time for uploading a YouTube video, then you have to simply click on this schedule option here. Then click here, and now I'm gonna select the date and then click on OK. Select the time. I'm gonna select the time 9 o'clock, and then click on the AM or PM here, then click on the OK option. Now we're gonna add the thumbnail. So for thumbnail, just simply click on this on this pencil icon here. Click here. Again, it is requiring a phone number verification. So I'm gonna give the phone number to it. So I entered that 6-digit number and it verified. This page will come. Click on these three. Click on these three rectangles. Now select a folder where you have put down your thumbnail. So this is my thumbnail. I'm gonna click on this one. Then you have to click on this button, done button, like this. Now just simply click on the upload button here. When you uploaded your video to YouTube, then simply come here to the Play Store and search for the YT Studio. Download it. Download this YT Studio. I have already installed this YT Studio, and then come to the YT Studio, click on the YT Studio, and your channel will come here. Then click on the content option down below here. As you know, we scheduled our video, so that's why I'm gonna click on the scheduled option here. Then click on these three dots here. Click on the edit option. We entered our title. Now it's time to enter our description. Click on the description option here, and again come to ChatGPT here. Open that old chat. And now come here and pick your that unique and amazing description here. I'm gonna copy this one. Click on the copy option. Then come here to YouTube. When you come to YouTube, then simply click on the add description here. Sorry, YT Studio, not YouTube. Then click on the paste option here, and then enter. Now again come to ChatGPT. Now copy all of these keywords here, and then come to YT Studio and simply paste them here and adjust them like this. So I'm gonna separate the description from the keywords and remove these 5 from it, and remove these 5 again from this, and then enter this like this. Do the same as how I'm doing. Then simply go from this place and click on this altered content and click on the no option here. And there is no other option. Simply click on the save option and we're done with uploading a YouTube video to YouTube. So this was the video how to upload a video and how to do the intermediate feature practically. So have a good time.